Hello folks, I am Bonn. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am doing my first ever digital art. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into it. So a few days back, I got myself an iPad. I was planning to get my iPad last year, but wasn't able to because
I'm broke, nigga! I'm broke!
Anyway, after I got my iPad, I was really excited about painting on it, so I started out right away. When I first started out, I realized digital art is a bit more overwhelming for me than what I usually do. So I decided to take a step back and watch some YouTube tutorials. After watching a few tutorials, I think I got what I need, so it was time to get back. Since I am very new to this digital art, I was having a hard time sketching on the iPad directly. So I decided to take an old sketch and turn it digital. When I was almost done with the artwork, I realized that Procreate offers minor animation abilities. So I decided to try it out, because why not? For this artwork, I am using the iPad, of course. For the drawing app, I am using Procreate. But mostly, I want to talk about the Apple Pencil alternative I am using here. This Apple Pencil alternative is from King One, which you can get in Amazon for 2000 bucks. If you want to save some money but still want a good Apple Pencil alternative, you can check this one out. I will add a link in my description below. So this video is coming to an end. If you like this video, do consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that said, enjoy the reveal.